Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. We are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn how to do divide with 5. Okay, with the in Vedic Maths. So before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel, and please hit this notification bell icon. If you hit this bell icon, what will happen? You never miss my updates. Okay students, so without getting late, we'll just start our class. And in the previous class we just tried to learn that how to do division with single digit number, and now in today's class we are just going to learn how to do divide with 5. Okay, so first of all, the basic rule for this division with 5 is nothing but whatever the dividend you are getting, that dividend you should double it, and you should keep the decimal point before ones place, or from the last before one digit you should keep the decimal point. So first of all, we'll just start doing this problem with a question. We'll just go with a question like 343 divided by 5. If you observe here, my dividend is always less than 5. Okay, so what is the first thing I said? You should double the digits, right? So 3, 4, 3. After doubling, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 3s are 6. And what I should do? I should keep a decimal point before one digit. So the answer is this. Now we will check whether it is right or wrong with our original procedure. So when compared to 5, this is smaller one, so we'll consider 2 digits. 5 6 are 30 because 5 7s are 35, and 4 will come down, 3 will come, 5 8s are 40. As you all know that by keeping the decimal point, 5 6 are 30. By keeping the decimal point here, we can keep 0. So the answer is 68.6. Did you understand? So the only one thing we have to do here is double the digits, and we have to place decimal point before one digit. Now we'll move on with one more example. 3124 divided by 5. So first double my dividend. 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And what I should do? I should keep a decimal point before one digit. Now we will check this with our calculation. 5 6 are 30 because the first digit is smaller one, 1 and 0. Call the next digit. 5 2s are 10, and 4 will come down. 5 4s are 20, and we all know that we giving the decimal point, we'll get right, we can write 1 0 here. 5 8s are 40. Right, now we'll move on with one more example. $41,32,423 divided by 5. So double these digits. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. And I should keep the decimal point 82648.4.6. Now instead of doing this original multiplication, the previous video we just tried the Vedic Maths division, right? That we will follow here, okay? So 5 8s are 40, 13, 5 2s are 10, 32, 5 6 are 30, 24, 5 4s are 20, 42, 5 8s are 40, 23, 5 4s are 20. Actually we will get 3 remainder, and 0 will keep, means 5 6 are 30. right students? Now if all these, my dividend is less than 5, in case, but will not get always less than 5, right? In case if my dividend is more than 5, what we will get? So for that also we are going to see now. 87659 divided by 5. Just only one simple logic here. Just we are going to apply balancing rule. 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, and 2 9s are 18. And we all know that so the last digit will come as it is, and this one will move on for this. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 1 will come as it is. And the same procedure, 17531.8. So this is already greater, so 5 1s are 5, 37, 5 7s are 35, 26, 5 5s are 25, 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 4 is going to get remainder, 5 8s are 40, 17531.8. right? Now we'll just complete with one more example. Nine six seven eight five divided by 5. First we will do with normal division. 5 1s are 5, 46, 5 9s are 45, 17, 5 3s are 15, 28, 5 5s are 25, 35. So this is going to get our answer. Now we will do double the digit. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. 0 and 1 plus 6 is 7, 1 plus 4 is 5, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 1 will come as it is. 19357.0. Okay students, so we just saw that if the dividend is less than 5, what we have to do. If the dividend is more than 5 also, what we have to do, we just clear. Is it clear to you all now? I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, if you find this video is informative to you, just please share and forward with your friends.